Hi everyone, I'm VooDoo Val, and today we're working on fantasy character illustration in Fresco. We have our colors down here, and then we have just this grayscale sphere, which I have painted. And what I'm gonna do is just make ourselves a new layer and set that to a clipping mask. And I'm gonna come in and snag a good brush. So I've just added in that purple color, and then I come in and experiment with my blending modes. Honestly, color actually might be the move. If I paint it in grayscale first, I only need those black and white values, so I can really focus on the form and the design for the painting itself, and then settle on colors later. I will grab myself like a texture brush so we can snag like maybe this bristle brush. So I've selected this like middling purple color, and I start to kind of texture a little bit around the edges where these values and colors meet. That's, you know, kind of how I have come into illustrating from a grayscale piece into like this full color portrait here. I've got this hair sketch for this hairstyle that we've chosen. And what I'm doing is I'm just coming in with my lasso tool, and I'm just kind of snagging these chunks in the general shape of our hairstyle. And with my paint bucket tool, I'm going to select this darker red color. I will use like the soft round brush and the hard round brush, and then I will use like this chalky texture brush. It just looks like it's kind of this hair-like shape sitting on her head, and we're going to start separating it into strands. So we will come in, and I'm just going to start making these pieces. If you would like to erase with your brush, just double tap on your touch shortcut here until that center dot is highlighted, and you'll be able to erase with whatever brush you're using. So what I'm going to do is, let me go ahead and make a new layer. I am just going to come in here and start carving things away. We just want like this strand to be underneath those right there. Imagine for a moment that you are not painting hair, we're painting ribbons. You will start to visualize the 3D form of your hairstyle a lot easier. I'm gonna come in here with my handy dandy noise brush and turn my blend mode to dissolve. What I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of kind of this dark value around the edges. I don't know if anybody in here is a fan of the smudge brush, but I love coming in and like smudging things around because I can kind of keep that texture, but also give it a little finesse. I'm going to use the sampled brush, and I'm just going to suggest the fact that there could be stubble on her head. I'm not going to be crazy. I'm just going to like in like little patches, I'm going to kind of tap. You know, like I don't have to do the whole head. I'm going to start throwing some major shapes here to kind of suggest clothing. I just scribble and throw something down. Kind of got this like sketched in. I am going to clip an adjustment layer, and I am going to choose color balance, and I'm going to just mess with the colors, and let's see what we can do. It might be black leather jacket day. Kind of breaks up the monotony of the hyper saturated colors we've been using. That might do it. I'm gonna put a little bit more effort into the outfit, but there she is, guys.
Thank you, Val. It's always so much fun hanging out with you.